Okay, so welcome to Sunny Barbare and happy Easter. Hope you're having a wonderful time and excited to spend some time with your family across the next few days. Now, a very common question we get from a lot of my clients is, how are you going to fit in a Easter egg? So, Exhibit A, one Easter egg. Now, in regards to Easter egg, it's obviously just chocolate, so it's going to be high carb and it's going to be a decent amount of fat in there. So, in terms of getting lean, it's not something you're necessarily really going to be wanting to eat. However, as a treat, this is something we can try and fit into our diet. Now, if you want to eat, and it said Easter egg here, Exhibit A, I would suggest the best time to have this is have a post-workout. So if you're going to go and have a load of sugary, chocolatey food, I'd have that post-workout with probably like a whey shake, and then not have my post-workout carbohydrates and whatever else I would normally have. So just have like a whey shake and then my Easter egg post-workout, and that's an easy way to fit that in. Other than that, if it's not a training day, I would just suggest maybe doing some extra cardio and just being reasonable with your food the rest of the day if we really want Easter egg that bad. Personally, me, myself, this is an Easter egg that I've been given as a present. I won't be eating it yet because I've got a photo shoot in 2 weeks, so I will be keeping strong and fighting off the chocolate binge, but I would suggest if you really want one, have one, but have it post-workout, have a whey shake with it as well so you get some decent quality protein, and then just make sure that you keep the rest of your diet on that day on point and don't go on a massive chocolate Easter egg binge for 3 days and you won't have any issues. So I hope this video helps. Very, very simple, should help you be able to enjoy Easter, have a great time with your family, have an Easter egg and still be able to get your results. So any questions, comments, please let me know below.